How to lock and unlock your Facebook profile. In this video, you will learn the 4 easy steps on how to lock your profile here on Facebook. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record tutorial on how to do it step by step. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Profile Lock is a new feature released by Facebook. Users can limit who has access to their profile to persons who are not on their friends list. So basically, yung mga hindi mo friends ay hindi makikita ang profile mo kasi nakalock ito. Yung ibang users ay walang chance na makita kung ano ang mga photos and mga content na sinishare mo sa Facebook. So now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano nga gawin to ng step by step gamit ang screen record na ito. Let's go! Hi guys! I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to lock your account on Facebook. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.